How to really get a MoneyView processing fee discount. Don't skip. Hey everyone, are you looking to slash the processing fee on your next MoneyView personal loan? You've come to the right place. But hold on, there's a catch. Dramatic music sting. Eligibility and the secret. Here's the deal. The best MoneyView processing fee discounts are exclusive to first-time users. That's right. If you haven't signed up yet, you can unlock a guaranteed discount, but there's a specific way to do it. Spoiler alert. It's not just about finding a random promo code online. The right way. This video will show you exactly what to do, following MoneyView's official guidelines. We'll break down how to use the MoneyView referral link. It's crucial. Why MoneyView promo codes alone might not work. And the big mistake you could be making by installing the app directly. Avoid this. Skip bait warning. There's some key info coming up, so don't skip ahead. We all hate expired codes, but with MoneyView, there's no need to worry about that. The referral link advantage. Here's the secret sauce. By using the referral link in the description box before downloading the app, you'll unlock the processing fee discount and potentially other benefits. Direct download trap. If you already downloaded MoneyView directly, uninstall it. It won't work for the discount. Use the referral link to reinstall and get the discount magic flowing. Bonus. We'll even reveal the MoneyView referral code at the end of the video, along with the link, of course. So stick around, learn the right way to get your discount, and save money on your next MoneyView loan.